How to clear all trash on iPhone. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into gallery or photos of a device. Once you're in this space, if you have deleted any of the photos or videos, then scroll down and move into recently deleted. Scan your Face ID. And from this section, you also have to delete these photos or the videos. Select them all and click on this icon. Tap on delete. Once again tap on delete. The trash has been deleted. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is you need to head over to the application files. From here, let's try deleting unwanted files. Let me delete all of these. Tap on select and select all of these. Tap on this trash icon. Now if you want to clear the trash as well, go back to the home page of files. Move into recently deleted. Select all of these files. Tap on select. Once selected, tap on delete. And then click on delete. There you go, all the trash has been deleted on iPhone. Similarly, you can do the same process for Drive as well. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.